Hello and welcome to BotPenguin. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you from where you can configure the restart chat triggers and the live chat triggers for your WhatsApp bot. So this is my WhatsApp bot. Go to WhatsApp bot settings, go to triggers. Under triggers, select bot triggers. So these are the two options of configuring the keyword for restart and live chat. So whatever keywords you enter here, for example, I do this one. So now these two keywords will trigger a restart in the chat flow. So if a user enters any of these two keywords in the middle of the chat flow will be restarted. You can add as many keywords as you like, and restart is the by default keyword. You can also delete it and add some more if you want. And the same with the live chat triggers. So by default, there's only one live chat trigger, which is live chat. If you want to configure some more like this, you can do that. And this is how you can configure the restart and live chat triggers for your WhatsApp bot. And that's it for today's video.